Everyone's out here talking about luxury, but let's keep it 100. Most of these new SUVs are just expensive boxes that feel like walking into a cold hospital room. They've got no soul, no history, and honestly, no riz. But check this out. Volkswagen didn't just build a new car, they resurrected a legend and gave it a god-tier upgrade. This is the 2026 T1 Samba. It's taking that iconic 60s DNA and injecting it with straight-up alien tech. We're talking about a mobile sanctuary that's so smart, it basically knows what you want before you do. Is this the greatest comeback in automotive history, or is VW just doing too much? We're about to find out. But first, let's see who's in the building. Drop your city and state in the comments right now. I want to see which part of the map is feeling this vibe the most. First off, the drip is immaculate. They kept the legendary 21 windows, but now they're made of this electrochromic smart glass. No cap, you just tap the pane and the whole van goes into stealth mode. It's 95% opaque in seconds. It's perfect for when you're parked at the beach and want to take a nap without the whole world looking in. And look at the V on the front. It's not just a logo anymore. It's a massive LED communication hub. If the car is driving itself, the V pulses a soft turquoise to let people know. It even does a little welcome home light show when it senses your phone getting close. The wheels are 21-inch lunar discs. They look like they're from a sci-fi movie, but they're actually active aero. They close up at high speeds to cut the wind and open up when the brakes need to cool down. It's tough, it's functional, and a total flex on every other EV on the road. When you step inside, the vibe is just different. It doesn't smell like cheap plastic, it smells like a high-end spa. They used apple skin leather for the seats. It's plant-based, super durable, and feels butter smooth. The dash? There is 0 buttons. It's a total minimalist flex. The entire windshield base is a 3D holographic projection. You don't have to look down at a screen while you're driving. Your speed, your maps, and even your text just float in the air like you're Iron Man. And the AI is high-key psychic. You don't say, turn on the seat heater. You just say, yo, it's brick out here. And the Samba cranks the heat, warms the steering wheel, and starts a heated stone massage. It's not just a car, it's a co-pilot that's actually standing your comfort. Let's talk about the brain. This thing is packed with LiDAR sensors that are basically a set of psychic eyes. It's constantly talking to the cloud to see what's happening 3 miles down the road. This tech is a total cheat code for city driving. If someone's about to blow a red light 2 blocks away, your Samba already knows. It starts slowing down before you even see the danger. On the highway, it's level 3+ autonomy. You can literally swivel the front seats around, face your friends, and play a game on the built-in table while the car handles the boring stuff. It's not just self-driving, it's freedom on wheels. No more white-knuckle driving in traffic, just pure vibes. Now, let's talk about how this beast actually handles. You've got 450 horsepower from a dual motor setup. It'll do 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. In a van, you'll be gapping sports cars at the light, which is honestly hilarious. But the real magic is the telepathic suspension. It uses road scan cameras to look at the pavement 1,000 times a second. If there's a pothole coming, the suspension pre-softens the wheel before it even touches the bump. You don't feel the road, you slide over it like a ghost. And if you're worried about range, the Hydrogen Voyager Edition gets you over 600 miles and a 3-minute refill. It's got all the power you need with 0 of the range anxiety that makes other EVs mid. So, here's the bottom line. The 2026 Samba isn't just a car for people who like old-school stuff. It's a statement that the future doesn't have to be cold or boring. It can have a soul, it can have history, and it can still be the smartest thing in your driveway. But I gotta know, does this friendly digital sanctuary vibe make the angry luxury SUVs look chopped? Or is 100K for a high-tech bus just too extra? Let's get a debate going in the comments. I'm Team Samba all day, but tell me if I'm tripping. If you want to see how this stacks up against the new electric Land Rover, click that video on your screen. Catch you on the next one. Peace.